Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to use PrizePicks Power Play feature. So let me tell you guys, a Power Play on PrizePicks is a high stakes, all or nothing feature that maximizes payouts by requiring every single selection in your lineup to be correct. It is ideal for 2 to 4 pick entries, though they can be used for up to 6 picks in some formats, offering up to 25 times your money. So let me tell you guys how to use the Power Play feature. So first, what you're going to have to do is open your PrizePicks app. Now, once you open your PrizePicks app, you will get to this page. Now, choose between 2 and 6 player projection, more or less, on the board. Now select Power Play. After picking your players, you will see option for Flex Play or Power Play at the bottom of your builder. Tap Power Play. Now submit lineup. Set your entry fee and click submit lineup. If all your picks are correct, you win the maximum payout. If even one pick misses, the entire entry loses. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video. See you in my next one.